Hello.
I'm Saber Khan, Education Community Director at Processing Foundation.
And I'm Cece, one of the festival volunteers.
CCFest is a series of virtual and in-person events that bring together different groups of people: artists, educators, students, parents, and more. Together, we engage in creative coding and make fun projects.
Everyone is welcome at CCFest. You don't need any experience in coding, just the curiosity about code and topics like digital art drawing, game making, working with artificial intelligence, and exploring new tools and technologies.
CCFest started in New York City in 2016, and soon we are doing events in San Francisco and Los Angeles.
In 2020, we started hosting virtual CCFest, online with friends and volunteers around the world. Both the online and in-person version of CCFest is totally free to attend and is packed with fun workshops run by amazing educators and keynotes from folks who widen our vision.
We hope to see you at the next CCFest over Zoom or in person.
Please visit CCFest Rocks to get more details.
Thank you.